Yo, guys, what's up and welcome to the stream. So, the Game Dev and Chill streams are back. However, we're working on a new project. Zombie project. The zombie project I was working on is pretty much scrapped now. It sort of got a bit obsolete for me. I really only wanted to do that project to sort of learn how to put a game together with assets. But I've become a lot more confident with Unreal Engine, so now I'm actually working on my dream game. If you haven't seen the videos yet, it's RP Project. The project documentation and the Discord links in the description if you want to learn more about the game. But these streams are going to be like a continuation or an extension to roleplay project content. So in these streams, I'm literally going to work on the project live. So what we're going to work on today is essentially some store clerks, specifically the menus, so you can buy items and all that sort of stuff. There's been some changes to the inventory system. Now weapons go inside your inventory and all that sort of stuff. But if you're watching after the stream, jump a bit forward. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to quickly grab this link. It only takes a second. I'll grab this and then I'll go into the Discord and we'll go here and we'll go everyone. The game dev streams are back. Okay, so we'll go like that. Hopefully that's going to look good. Yes, it looks good. Number 36, everything's looking good. We can potentially get rid of that. Everything, I'm assuming, is looking good here. Yes, that's all good. That's all good. So what we can do potentially is get rid of this and potentially get rid of this. And now, this is where we are. So what I'll do is I'll show you, firstly, I'll show you the differences with the inventory systems. So we'll jump in. And my GPU is making a sound. I think I need to upgrade it. But anyway, let me show you the inventory, the way it works. What have I got here? I've just got some ammo. So now instead of just equipping them straight away, you essentially pick them up and put them into your inventory. This way, if you've got a maximum amount of slots filled up with weapons, you can actually choose to pick up weapons and store them in your inventory or maybe give them to someone else. But then you use them and then they equip, obviously. And there's these new pickup items now. Now there's attachments. So there's pistol attachments, laser, silencer. Then we've got a SMG silencer, SMG laser, SMG flashlight. And then we've got a rifle silencer, laser, flashlight, and a sniper rifle silencer. So those are all the attachments. And obviously the rifle can have all three attachments. That's something I'm yet to do. We won't do it in this live stream, but I'm yet to build the attachment logic. But this is what they look like when you pick them up. I can just go like this, bang, bang, like that. Let me open the inventory. So obviously we've got a pistol laser, we've got a pistol silencer, and obviously things go in as you can see, it says one SMG but it's 60 rounds of ammo. So there will be ammo. If there's ammo left in the gun and you drop it, it will be sort of added to the pickup sort of thing, and when you pick it up you'll get the right ammo. But that's sort of how that all works there. But what we're working on today, let me just do it. Oh, that would have been a good headshot. But anyway, I've got to make those sparks smaller, as someone suggested, but this is what we're working on now. So I've really just got the menu logic going, and this is sort of what happens. But that is bugged. Well, not bugged, it's just not doing the right logic, and that is because this guy is... what's going on here? Okay. Is a gun merchant. And the logic only works for store clerks right now, so let's just change these guys. Okay, I don't know why everything's loading like that. No, gunman, store clerk. Okay, store clerk, store clerk. So now, theoretically, with my code, we'll be looking at the code in a second, but theoretically with my code now, instead of white boxes, we should actually see icons. And we don't. So we need to go into the logic. So let's just make everything. I actually can't see the chat. Interesting. Wait, actually I can actually on my phone. So let's go into the widget. So what we need is the logic. I've just got a trigger volume right now just so we can use that. I'm thinking about making the trigger volume sort of indicate you can press M to open up the menu just so it doesn't open if you get close enough to it. So go to the master MPC. Let me quickly open this up on my phone and it should be good. Okay, so overlap logic, set invisibilities. We've got a pre-construct though. Actually, so let's open up the UI as well. I'm not connected to the internet on my phone. Now I am, and now what are we looking for? What type of logic is this? It'll be in the main because the pre-construct or the construct of the main. So, interesting. Okay, construct. Process grids. There we go. This is the logic's not, well, this logic's not working anyway for some reason, but we need to add the logic for them as well. But give me just 10 seconds just to open up my phone. Go to there, go to there, go to there, and I can see the chat now. The logic's not, well, this logic's not working. Let me turn it down. How you doing, Sosakito? I'll shout out to the one viewer. That's where we are. So we've got table data rows. Let's check this is all correct. So we've got consumables. I'm making the data row names numbers, so I can essentially just loop through all the data row numbers, like put it through a loop sort of thing, and just list them all. So okay, we got icons. So we got medikit, body armor. And these are all texture icons, okay. So what are we doing here? Are we doing a set brush texture? Oh, that's process grid. So we want to remove everything and then create everything. It's got to be a break because I'm gonna need. Oh, not for that one anyway. So all right. We've got no row names and stuff here. Okay. Let's double check this is what the actual point of the process I'm looking at. Shout out to the two viewers. Yeah, let's just see if this is the point. Okay. I understand what's happening. This is all getting created when I create the widget. So, and where am I creating the widget? It would have to be in the component. I think there's an NPC component for the character, yes. Okay, so when the character spawns, we're creating the widget, which is not what we want to do. Hopefully this is not referenced outside of the blueprints. And of course it is. Okay, I'm just going to create a function here, custom event. We'll go on the owning client, show clerk, show store menu. We're doing it on our owning clients because everything's owning clients with widgets. So this is just going to be simple replication here. Not even replication really. I'm going to need this as a reference. Player, controller. We'll just leave that bad boy there. Okay, so essentially we've got all our references. Now we can I should do an is valid just to make sure. So then we only create it once. So is valid. Shout out to the two viewers. Is valid. If you're watching, well, so Skizzo, you can actually jump into the voice chat if you want to right now. There's that. Okay. I think my voice chat's showing. Yep. Yep. Okay. Okay. If it's valid, if it's not valid, we want to L create. If it is valid, we can go like this. Because this won't be valid there. I think that will still work actually. Okay, make sure everything looks nice. Alright, so now if when we show the owning client, if it's valid, if it's not valid, we create it for the player controller of said actor component. Okay. Let's just compile, save. Yes, that's going to work. So that's showing it. And now we can just do a custom event and do it close or something. Owning clients, close store menu for the owning client. I don't know if you have to do this because it technically is owning clients. Like widgets are only owning clients. I'm pretty sure it's yeah, they're only owning clients. So but anyway, there's a running on owning client. I don't want to call in editor. I want to make it reliable. I don't know what that means, reliable. I'll just do it. Okay, close the menu would be essentially remove from parent. Is it remove from parent or remove from viewports? Remove from viewports. Is in viewport. Add to viewport. I guess we can get a bit of an optimization here. We'll go if it's in the viewport. We're only going to try and close it if it's in the viewport. It's always good to do little safeguards like that. I hate this how it drags over like that. I have to do a new one. I don't know if it's more optimized to like use one node and then connect it into all the things or use multiple nodes. I don't know if it doesn't matter or not, but it just looks cleaner. Everything's going to be converted. Well, not everything. A large percentage of all of this is going to be converted to C++ at one stage anyway. Okay, so now we've got an open and close. So now we want to so now this menu border visibility goes back to visible. Then we don't have to do this logic here. All we need to do essentially, and we can look at this stupid cast. Okay, I hate cast. All right, so now we've got this. Hashtag. This is my little trick. Okay, to sort of prevent having to cast to something. Okay, so say you want some functionality, you know, to work when you interact with the NPC trigger. What you do is you put that functionality into a component, okay, like this, an actor component, and then you can like go to your main character, which is the core base character, this guy, and go to here, or there, I think it is, and then go to tag. We want to actor tag. Actor tag. it's a character. Okay, so I don't know which one it is. It would be here, tag. There it is. All right, see how we've got some actor tags here? So look, player. Grab that tag. I can go to here and go if actor has tag. So now this is essentially because this gets called multiple times. One for the client, one for the server, and I think even the player controller. So this sort of limits it down to one process, a little bit optimized like that, and then you can go like this, and now it limits all of the actors that you know that are obviously interacting with this thing, overlapping it, down to the player. So now we're literally only this is only the player actor. So now we've got the player actor. What we can do like this is go get component by class, right? And then this is the component that we want. So what do I want? What do I want in this instance? I want the blueprint component character clerks. So BPC character clerks. So now and I think if this doesn't work, I'll do it anyway. Just so what you can do is go to is valid, which it should be, but this is a way to work around it. So say it's not valid. What you want to do is delay until next tick, and then that because sometimes because if the character spawns in this trigger, then this won't exist yet. So what you do is you wait until the next frame, and then it would exist. So that sort of just prevents that little bug there. And now bang, we've got the character, all the data here, and now we can do the execution for that exact character component, and that's actually replicated because these character components, when you do it here, you're getting the actor component, the owner of the actor. So this is essentially the the individual player, and then you cast to the individual player's character, and then you can get a character reference, which you can obviously get a controller for, and then cast to that, or get character reference components from class like that. So it's essentially like that. But anyway, so that's where we are. So what we want to do now is we want to do components from class, and we want to do the OC show. So now what we're testing is that I hate it's like this. I think. Okay, bang. So now what's going to happen is we essentially should see the menu even work. No, but it's working half properly. All right, so now it's working properly. So there you go. This whole thing works. I just avoided casting to the player, and I literally narrowed it right down to the exact player we need. Got you in a few busy right now. No worries. UE5 survival. Yes, this is TPSK. The base TPSK. What I've done is I've revamped it. Essentially just removed all the AI, the turrets, the stealth kill, which was part of the AI. I've literally removed everything but the locomotion and the weapons. I literally halved the size of the project from about 10 gigs to 5 gigs just by doing that, and it also jumped up about 10 frames per second. Yes, that's the base that we're using for our character system is TPSK. But anyway, this is all working, guys. So if you want to maybe, I don't know, take a screenshot of that. Take a screenshot of that, guys. That's how you avoid casting on overlap types of stuff, and literally narrow it down to literally one process. Bang, for the correct character, which is replicated. Because as long as your your component replicates is here, because it's a component, it's a active component which is attached to the character, and that's sort of how I sort of work around casting in for replication, but that's where we are. So now what are we looking at? We're looking at this logic. How long have we been going for? 19 minutes. We'll probably go for an hour and a half today. We'll just go for as long as I feel, pretty much. But these streams are back now, and this is what they're going to consist of. Me just coding, and it's going to be a lot different than Zombie Project, because Zombie Project, I was just literally getting confused non-stop, you know, trying, and I wasn't very experienced as I am now than I was a couple of months ago. And it was just like all these problems with all these assets, trying to combine them, trying to add things and that. But in this situation, I'm actually coding everything from myself. This whole NPC system, this whole widget system, this is all just me just coding it off the top of my head. And that's essentially what all these systems are going to be now. Because I'm at a stage now where I'm confident enough to, you know, think like a programmer and like you know, create things. I'm very confident with Unreal Engine now. I know where everything is. I know everything I need to know programming wise. But I think this is the problem here. Because this is 100% the problem. This is 100% the problem. I know what's going on now. So this data table essentially has not got anything we need other create widget blueprint. Oh, slot. Okay. Interesting. Well, the store index will be that, but the row name is not here, so I need to compare something from here to get a data table row of this one, the pickup data. So we're going to have to like do this logic beforehand. Yeah, because these row names are words and these row names are numbers, so I can loop through it. So I essentially need to get some data from here, which I can do here. Okay, I know it. I know where it's not working. Now it should after this. Alright, so now what we can do is we can... But where's this row name going to come from? It has to be done in the loop. Because I don't have any data yet. So... Yeah, I have to compare. Wow. You know what? I'm going to avoid all this nonsense and just put it in the data table. Put what I need in the data table because it's just going to be easy to do it. So cores TPS, game, pickups, data, tables, pickup info. No, not pickup info. I need NPC data, tables. I have to put them in all of this. The item row name. The item row name is a name. Item row name. Item row name, item type. Okay. Item row name, item type. Item row name. Okay, item row name. Item row name. This is just going to save me having to get another data table, compare the two data tables and all that, you know, like I can just easily add it here. So data table row names. Okay. Don't need that. Need that. Need this. The first aid kit is health. The body armor is armor. The jerry can is empty. Jerry can. The toolbox is L toolbox. The hunting knife is knife weapon. Beautiful. Now this is where it's going to get a bit of a pickle. Oh wait, not that. This. I have to do this 24 times. Okay. Intermission. Intermission. Shout out to the free viewers. Looks like you're setting up an NPC store. Yes, I am. These are essentially clerks. So these will just sort of add functionality to buildings, you know, like general stores, restaurants even. I can make another clerk for restaurants, you know, gun stores, which is like an ammunition in GTA sort of thing, and obviously a police armorer, which is it's like a gun store, but it doesn't cost you money. So police officers essentially get free weapons. Um, About to join. I'm about 15 minutes or so trying to finish up some stuff I want to show the stream. No worries, man. This isn't really a game developer stream. These are like separate streams where I just sort of code live because people really enjoyed these game dev streams. And I thought it would be a good addition because those developer live streams are essentially just the developers getting together, talking about the latest stuff, sneak peeks, questions, showcasing and that. This is sort of my game dev and chill series, where I just sort of work on my projects live sort of thing. But yeah, anyway, back to that. I'm working on store clerks, but now we need to do the marathon. I mean, I could actually put the actual row names here, but then I can't loop through it all. So I essentially just want to loop through them all and then, you know, check what type it is and then show it accordingly. Because let me show you the menu for tier. As you can see, these buttons show up for these only show up for the gun merchant and the police armorer. So you'll start with the weapons tab open. All the weapons will be in here, and then you can click on here, and all the attachments will be here. You can click on here, and it will be all the animations and that. And this design's very basic. I know. I'm a programmer. I'm not a designer. Like essentially, with these prototypes, you're just going to see some very basic stuff. So I've just got something basic going. You know what I mean? This store title changes depending on what clerk it is. This changes depending on what clerk it is. That's the general store icon. But yeah, that's where we are. And now we need to do this marathon, but I'm going to have a little 1-2 minute rest. If anyone's got any questions, jump into the live chat and ask away. Shout out to the 4 viewers. But yes, what I can show you actually is the new test map. As you can see, we've got some damage areas here, so we can test some damage. We've got some clothing previews. This is where it just shows you all the different character skins for the 3 different types of skins we got. This is the new primary weapon desk. You got the melee weapons, you got the weapon attachments, the secondary weapons. You got the ammo, the consumables. Over here you can't see it, but it says vaulting there. You know, it says cover there. We've got store clerks here. Up there, we've got ladders, so everything is a little bit better. And if you haven't seen on the Discord yet, we've got a new co-developer who is an animator, and he's working on animations as we speak, potentially, for these store clerk guys, so they can be robbed at gunpoint. But yeah, essentially, that's what we're doing, guys. So I just need to do the marathon here. But you know what? I can probably do that later, and we can just test this right now. That's what we'll do. We'll just test that part. Yeah, show menu. That's what it's doing, but where's the pre-construct or the construct? Yep, the construct. So this is, what do we need? Item row name, bang. There it is, baby. Now it should work. Make sure this guy is who we need him to be. Yes, he is. Let me just save everything. Ah! There we are, guys. Only a couple bugs, like the grids are way too spaced apart. It also says 0. There's no amounts, so anyway, we'll work that out. But that's pretty good progress, guys. The grid. Interesting. Okay. So we're making the slot. I don't know why. I'm trying to work out why the grids are so spaced apart. Add child to uniform grid. Huh, interesting. Let's check out the slot. Widget slots. Because this is not getting set at all. So slot amount's not getting set, and it needs to be set here. Get slot amount. It's creating the widget. And then we want to set text. Oh, you know what? We don't need that. We don't need that number. Because I sort of took a bit of the logic, or just copied the logic from the inventory. So we can actually essentially remove that. It doesn't like it though. Okay. I bet you this slot's got some sort of weird padding on it. To fill. What? Okay, let's see what it looks like now. Few changes. Ah, it's not even centered. Any widget experts watching the stream? Oh man. Okay, because it's automatically generating the grid, and I think my whole grid logic is just not where it's at, and also there is no I can still move around and there's no cursor, which is obviously something I need to add. But let's try and work this out. What happens when I go like this? Will they all stack up on top of each other? Look at all of them. All the items just stacked up on top of each other. That's hilarious. Okay, so that's not the issue anyway. Bang, bang. Add child to uniform grid. Add child. Let's just see what happens when... this is not going to do anything, but I don't know. Or it is adding it all to the same thing. It's doing exactly what the what unconnecting these does. Okay, so that's not the issue. What's the issue is the grid. The slot's fine, it's the grid. The grid is not having it. There's nothing in here. So that means it's the main. Get rid of all this nonsense. Okay, main slot grid, main. It would have to be in the designer. So it's something here. Auto. I mean, I don't know. It's not even centered, bro. Hmm, interesting. Well, those are all the items you can buy. Hmm, I have no idea what the hell is going on here. Okay, fill. Maybe this is not in some like Okay, progress, progress, progress. All right. What did I do? Oh, there. All right. So that's like that. Oh, auto. Oh, oh no, 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 no. Get rid of this. Maybe if we just get it to do this, it will. I mean, that works. It's better than what we had. Gotta add spacing to the left. Add padding to the left. Well, that's pretty much how I wanted it to be. Because what I can do now is I can create some empty slots to make it look better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's just say 8. All right. So we need to fill in whatever that is minus 8. Because when it's done, right? How does this guy do it? Um, Um, okay, there's logic where he adds the things, but let's see if I can just work out the logic. Okay, so there's 5 slots, and I want 8 slots. So what I can do is I can go items, available items, available items. Let's just make it an integer, right? And just reset it. Uh, okay, so there's that. So now I can go like this, and I don't know, I can start counting or something like this. So now this is how many items. It's going to go 0. So the first item, second item, third item, fourth item. So now I know how many there is. Max clerk size. Subtract. So max clerk size minus available items is how many slots we need to provide as empty. The first index will be that, and then it will be this -1, I believe. -1. So that's how many loops, how many empty slots we need. Uh, and where am I now? Okay, here. So let's go like this. Oh wait, no, that's oh. Wait, no, the first index would be this -1, and then the second index, or the last index, will be that minus that -1. I think. I think that's the math. Yes, I think so. I'm assuming. Okay, so now we're just setting arrays, which this can be a literal text, I'm assuming. Literal, or a literal name, which would be empty. And item amount. Let's just do one. So now, oh yeah, it doesn't know what's going on there. Oh, interesting. Interesting. What? It's an array of widgets. Interesting. Okay. We've got a pickle here. Okay. Interesting. Just notice you're switching back the main window too to run, but you can save time by going to the run button from the widgets. What do you mean, Barrett Zake, mate? The run button from the widgets. Not sure what you mean. Shout out to the free viewers. How long have we been going for? 45 minutes. Not too bad. We'll go for a little bit longer. But this is my little pickle here. How on earth? But what type of array element is it? Oh, it would... the inventory. The NPC inventory? It would have to be in the component or something. Components. Oh, that's right. I'm not even storing it. I'm not even storing the element data here. Those are creating the slots. And then I should add it to... Oh, that's the inventory contents. What inventory contents though? I'll just confuse myself now. Shout out to the free viewers. Everything seems to be going good here. But let me just quickly give a shout out to all of our boosters. We've got 6 boosts in like a couple days pretty much. I boosted it, and then our 3D artist boosted it, then this guy out of nowhere boosted it, then old mate boosted it here. Our developer comes in for a set, you know, trying to take the gold, you know what I mean? And like he's like, these guys, I need a one up on these guys, so he done it. And now we got headshot down here, mate. Shout out to all you guys. It makes our little invite thing look pretty cool, and I think we get a bit of extra features in it. I think I might be able to put a thing up here. I don't know, but anyway, shout out to all you guys. But if you're wondering what this game is, let's just close this for now. Let me just start. Let me just start talking about the game. Obviously, we've got our store clerks that I'm working on. But yeah, we got a pretty good weapon system. I'll take that. I'll take. Oh yeah, I'm yet to make a what's it called? If you're watching So Schizo, jump in. Show them the picture of the weapon bench. So we've got a weapon bench being made, and the weapon bench is I'm going to place it over here, but the weapon bench is essentially going to be in gun stores and obviously at a police armorer. And like when you buy attachments and stuff, you have to like buy the attachment, have it in your inventory, have the right gun attached, go up to the weapon bench, and you know, and then a screen comes up with a weapon. I'm thinking about maybe if I can get an animation, the character puts his hand in front and holds the weapon in front, and then little attachment widgets come up and you can sort of attach things. If not, it's just going to be a blurry screen with a weapon that you can sort of move around and attach stuff to. For now anyway. Is it cool if I join voice chat? Yeah, no worries, man. I wouldn't mind testing out the volume of the voice chat because I got it 5 decimals higher. But yeah, he might actually jump in and show us some sneak peeks of that. But if you're new to the game or all the content and the streams and that, these are some of the skins we got. We got personal military guy, detective, and military guy. sort of thing. And I'm sort of using this guy for the gun store, another variation of him for the clerk, and a variation of this guy for the police armorer. And this guy's obviously the detective, which is this guy here, and he's got sort of civilian clothes as well, sort of thing. Also, shout out to the 4 viewers, and we just had so Schizo, I believe, joined the voice. How you doing, mate? Your mic's muted. Uh, we'll probably go for another 10-15 minutes, guys.
Can you hear me?
Yep.
Oh, what's up? Sorry about that.
Let me speak, just so I can check they can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Oh
Okay,
yeah, they can. Yeah, it should be. Your voice should be a lot louder than the well, at a better volume. But anyway, have you got something you want to show them, or a little bit of a sneak peek? We might do little sneak peeks and stuff like this in these streams. These are just going to be extra streams, but mainly just game dev and chill, guys. I'll just game develop, and you guys come and chill. You know what I mean? That's just a bit of an extra live stream. These will be a lot more frequent. It'll sort of keep more content coming. I've actually released more than 10 videos in the last 10 days on my channel. Just trying to get this project out there, to showcase it to you guys. And now we're working on version 1.1. But anyway, so Schizo, have you got something?
Yes. Give me 1 second. It's loading up the Unreal Engine right now.
No worries. Where are you going to put it? General, or you want to open the chat for the live stream? Or I don't think it matters.
If you want, I can share my screen.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you can, can't
Oh
you?
wait. Oh no, I can't share it in here.
You should be able to. It's the middle button. Click on the live stream and then go to the middle button. Share
Yeah, it
your.
just says I can't stream into this channel.
Oh, why? Okay. Let me see if I can fix that up quickly. Permissions. Connect, speak, video, priority speaker, set voice channel status. I can't see streaming anyway. Yeah, this is the voice chat. Interesting. I don't know. Let's have another look. There should. Oh yeah, look. It says. Yeah, you should be good to go.
Still not letting me.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, it's cool. I can take a screenshot.
Yeah, screenshots will do. Just throw them into general probably. Shout out to the 4 viewers. If you guys are watching, let me know where you are from and that. When you're working on your widgets, you compile, then switch back to the map tab, then click the run button to test. But when you're in the working on the widgets, there's already a run button at the top of the screen. At the top of the screen on the widgets. What? Oh, there is. I never noticed that, man. Like, I just assumed that, it was here because this is the level. You know what I mean? Like, I never ever noticed that there, man. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice. That's mad. Thanks, bro. Shout out to the 3 viewers, but let's jump back into here. We might get a bit of a couple sneak peeks. You've actually got a video coming out on your channel as well about the project, haven't you?
Yeah, it should be out in the morning actually.
Oh, sweet. I'll
I was
post
hoping to get it out by tonight, but it just depends on how it goes.
when it comes. I'll post it in the news, so the fans have got a bit of extra content. We've got plenty of content coming now. So we've got this. We're back with the
Man,
live
sounds good to me.
streams. Let me go back here. I can't believe it. We got 6 out of 7 boosts, guys. We're killing it. Oh. So where you watching from, guys? Let me know what country you are from. You know, what's the time zone? Is this a good time for streaming? If you got any questions about the game, you can ask away while we're live. Or if you want to learn more about the game, what type of game it's going to be in that, jump into the Discord or the project documentation link in the description, or you can join the Discord link and come over to this Discord, which is the project Discord for this game that I'm working on. So, but yeah, that's where we're at. I have to work out this nonsense here. What I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to create my own inventory contents. Oh no, that's just setting the array in the contents. I don't know, I need to work that out. Well, we're coming up. We'll just, for the last 5 minutes, what I'll do is while I'm waiting on so Schizo, I will quickly jump in game, bit of a gameplay. So we got automatic vaulting. That would just automatically vault. There's obviously vault triggers and stuff for that, which the level designer would need to sort of place everywhere that can take cover, everywhere you cannot take cover. So yeah, there's blind shooting, and then there's aim shooting. So that's pretty cool. And then we got ladders. So you walk up to the ladder and press C is to climb and take cover. So C to take cover, or walk up and press C to climb. And then we've got ladders like that. Very realistic sounds, movement, animations and stuff. And then we've got this ladder. So say I'm on a building and then I jump from that building onto this building. Bang, you'll be able to land on the ladders and stuff. But when you're going down, you can hold shift and go down like that, which is pretty cool. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're at. This is just a little traversal gymnastics thing. Just where I put the ladders so there's different levels and stuff like that. I think if the ladder keeps resetting, because you have to actually tell it where, you know, where that level is for that platform for him to be able to go there. But for now, it's not working because this thing has reset again. I need to work out what on earth is going on here. Here it is here. Oh no, here it is. This may be too low. It has to be. Yeah, look, it's in there. So I need to... minus 16, are they? Oh. I know what's happening. I need to literally get this thing. And move it up slightly. Oh. Oh. Come on. Close. $501. There we go. Okay. This actually might work now. Let's see. Because I think because this wasn't quite... It was sort of too in there. Actually, let me see how it looks at the top now. That's why I moved it down a touch because of that. It's a little bit too high, but that's good enough for now. That's going to work. So now we should be able to... And there's no foot IK. I need to add foot IK. The TPSK runs off the UE4 mannequins. And also the turn in place is a bit weird. His chest shifts, like sort of twists. So we need to work that out. Probably end up redoing animations and all that sort of stuff. But let's see if I can get up here now. What? Use from top, use from left, use... Oh, I know what's right. Use from bottom, use from top front, use from top left, use from top right. What? Oh, here we go. Front and right. Okay, I need to work out that. That's just the ladder logic for TPSK. But anyway. How you going so schizo? Have you got some screenshots or something? Oh yeah, nice. Oh, this is it, guys. This is going to be a nice little video that we can watch. But these are... Okay, so locker system. This is where you're going to clock on and clock off as a police officer. This is just somewhere for me to be able to clock on and clock off. Cash register for the clerks. The drawer comes out. You can actually see all that. And obviously this is the weapon bench where your attachment bench. And he's working on one of the first vehicles, guys. So let's watch this. It's a 50-second clip. But as you can see, very decent models. These are all just real, prototyping, just getting things working. Like, look at that. See the cash register comes out, the drawer comes out, which is insane. Look, that's the North Carolina flag there. He's created all this himself, custom from scratch, and we've got one of the schizo brand. I like it. One of these police vehicle models, guys. So this is pretty much where we're at. Barrett Zake says, yeah, it's a habit or something. Still Canada. Currently 8:23 p.m. CST. Oh, so that's not bad. But that's pretty much where we are. There's the models, guys. So thanks for that little sneak peek there, so schizo. But you'll start seeing these models in version 1.1 once it gets released and the devlog comes out and all that sort of stuff. But how long have we been going? 1 hour. That's what we're going to do. We're going to keep this on as an hour. There's nothing really we can do. I mean, I just got to work out all this logic here. I just got to think about it. But anyway, guys, that's pretty much where we are. If you want to stay updated on this project, we've got the project documentation, which is updated. Or if you wanted to join the community, we've got a Discord community link. If you're watching and you want to help out with development, jump into the Discord. Go to the, there's no jobs right now, but there's a job section. Or if you'd like to become a Discord moderator, you can post an application here. You just come here, post an application, you'll be accepted or denied. If you do get denied for some reason, you just got to wait 30 days before you can apply again. It's just a little cool down period. And jobs, I post jobs here for things we need, but if there's any skills that you think we can contribute to this project, I'm willing to take on anybody that is willing to work and puts in the work and all that sort of stuff. But that's pretty much where we are. So these Game Dev and Chill live streams are obviously going to continue now, but with the RP project, or RPP is the abbreviation I've made for it. So RPP, RP project, an abbreviation of role play project. So that's the name of the game. The actual name of the let me open it. The actual name of the game is yet to be announced. Obviously we've chosen a West North Carolina. You can probably see that in my last YouTube video. But anyway, guys, that's probably where we're going to be for this live stream. I'm going to be working on version 1.1. Definitely going to be, once I start finishing systems. I'll be making little sneak peek videos, all that sort of stuff. The next developer live stream will potentially be in the next week or so, and within a week or two, maybe 3 weeks, or even sooner, we'll be getting the next devlog and the release of version 1.1, which will have all of this stuff in it. Potentially not the vehicle system. That's way off. But the attachment system and obviously the clock on system for the police logic and that. But anyway, guys, that's where we are. That's where we're going to be for this live stream. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.